Okay, I have a sick Vic again with me this morning.
What's up, guys? Joe, thanks so much for having me back on the show. We've got a lot of good stuff going on, and the market's been crazy this week, so we're gonna play some good trades today.
All right, so let's see. Let's take a look at daily. Let's take a look at the daily. Looks like we're gonna be running today. There's a nice run. We went even above the white support upper line.
If news permits, huh?
Yeah, if we have a great news, we should be meeting very soon this lower lines of the band, which would be nice run. You're talking about 7,500 to 80. What's this? 8,000. So that's a 500 run, 500 points run,
That's right.
which would be very nice, at least for now. That would be good news.
Mm-hmm.
So there was a couple of days ago bounce from this white support, which was a great sign.
And I believe Bernie Sanders, he's out of the race, isn't he?
Oh, is he? I didn't know. I don't follow us much. So we'll look on the daily chart, and then everything else is same like before. And now, before we continue, we got to read this disclaimer.
Yeah, it's
That's
very
required,
dangerous.
yeah.
Very dangerous to trade, so be aware of the risks, especially in futures and contracts. And
Yeah, with all financial instruments.
you
Yeah.
can lose you can lose everything.
So trade only with your money. You can afford to lose, or better go and win. Don't even nothing to lose, but it's dangerous.
Yeah.
So guys, be careful for practice, or take a look at these videos.
Yeah. So we're looking on the news. We see Gabbard's out of the race, endorses Biden, and some senators who were probably in some sort of confidential meeting. Who knows? They had inside information, of course, about the coronavirus, and they sold off all their stock before the market just got destroyed.
Oh wow!
Is
Oh
that
yeah, you
interesting?
just told me. Yeah, you just told me. I didn't know that.
Yeah, they sold off their stock. So there's senators who did that. I think that's just terrible. You know, they had inside information and they knew. So, but of course we knew this was going to happen just with the facts, the basic facts. You see what's going on in China right now, and you know what's going to happen. So who knows if this week's going to end strong, or it looks like it's going to be a pretty rough road ahead, to be honest, because of, you know, I mean, you've got so many people out of work with the virus, and big bailouts coming, so it's gonna be very expensive.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's gonna go. We'll just go day by day, hour by hour, news by news.
Today we're looking at Boeing stock.
Yeah. Okay.
Very little movement, but things are not looking good for the company right now. But we'll have to take a look and see what
Yeah,
happens.
we'll just go. Okay, let's. You guys stop the video. Pause. Read this if you didn't, so we can go on. All right. So let's bring in this chart now too. And this is CL
Also known as
25.
gold.
No, CL is the oil.
Oh yeah, crude oil. That's
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
What's gold doing? Let me see what gold is doing. WGC. It's 1498, 40. What did it do overnight? Up and down. Boy, these are big moves over here.
Mm-hmm.
These are just the big moves.
There's a setup right there. It's coming up.
4.
No, that's Boeing. It's gonna cross. Let's see. Look at that. Tried to come up.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna bounce.
Maybe it will, maybe it won't.
But that could be just a fake, like
Yeah.
this one here. But this one is being short, so maybe it's we'll see. We'll let them open the market and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right. 30 seconds.
All right. So you're gonna have the bell.
So what do we call the show again? It's not opening bell. That name's taken.
The Quant.
The Quant.
Yeah.
The Quant opening.
007. Quant
Alright, guys.
007. So we'll just let's see what the market is gonna bring us today. We are coming to overbought area a little bit more, and should
Ready?
be some.
Here it is.
All right.
And we're in.
There we go.
All the markets are moving.
There we go.
Let's see. Boeing opened up a little higher and looks like it's coming up
All right. Well, if it pulls down to the white,
to the white.
Yeah.
It's time to get in to 99.
yeah.
99.16 right now is the white. Watch it.
Yeah. What else is there?
We
What's
got
Apple. What's Apple is trying
Apple. Yeah, it looks like it's
Yeah.
trying to pull up right now. Right now it's.
to- Alibaba is down. That's down.
That's right.
Okay.
But facing some resistance, and oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh. You got some resistance right there.
Yeah.
Apple tried to pull up for a second and
Is this is the red line above or below, or it's even?
even.
Okay, then nothing. You got to get above. All right. Let's go here and let's see if we can make a trade on ES. Looks like EM8 is support. Let's just buy it
Order filled.
and just make if we can make a few points
Order submitted.
to here, unless that's a totally buy.
Looks like Apple tried to run and it couldn't.
Yeah.
Let's see. Tried to run, but it
Oh,
couldn't.
look at Boeing. What Boeing setting up?
It is.
Let's see if we can make any money here. Nasdaq is running up, so yes, his support is on EMA8. The market is still down here, saying, but I just went long because of this.
But you can't go long if 20 is
Order
below
filled.
200.
No, I wouldn't.
Can't. We're still below. In fact, right now it's a short territory right
Yeah.
here.
Okay,
Now it's set up for a short.
No, don't hurry. That's not good. That's not good. That's just even. That's nowhere.
Oh,
That's nowhere. Let that beta show down. The beta show down, and then we'll see.
oh yeah.
All right, here we go. We are in profit already. We are in profit.
Order filled.
All right,
So-
let's go close another
Order
one.
filled.
And there's 462.5 points we made already.
Wow.
And that's did we a couple of minutes of trading.
Don't forget those indicators are available in the description below. Be sure to go check them out.
Right? Thank you, Rick. Look at gold is not moving that much.
That movement. This is so crazy. Red above, red below,
Yeah.
all that stuff. Crazy indicators. It's trying to go somewhere. We don't know because it's
Yeah.
if you made a band like
Well,
this.
if it's market gonna go up, Boeing is gonna. Is this Boeing?
It is Boeing.
Yeah, it's gonna try to run to 200.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if this one closes up, and then you have a pullback to 20,
Mm-hmm.
you could try to go a few shares up there. I mean, you can try something.
It's risky though.
No, I know it's risky. I know. But if market is gonna go up, Boeing is gonna go up. So we're gonna be watching in ES.
Oh yeah. Looks like it's a good thing we've got a lot of charts going on
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
so
So-
we're able to monitor the whole situation and
Yeah.
play some really safe trades.
Yeah.
So that way we're almost completely certain.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter if you only make like a few bucks in your trade, as long as you're up.
Yep. It's a good trade. That's all.
As
that's
long as
all
you didn't
we
lose
can-
money, then you're good.
All right. Look at the ES. Look at support. ES with the EMA8 is trying to go up.
Mm-hmm.
Though indicators are pointing still down, so we'll wait for beta setup.
Same thing with Boeing. Boeing's trying to go up. Looks like it established a support zone. Let's see if it pulls back.
That's gonna be good, that's gonna be
Yeah,
good buy.
yeah, it is.
And, just a few
Lower.
points, just a couple, three, yeah, but on 20,
Yeah.
on 20, because it was short over here, look at how short it was here,
Mm-hmm.
coming back, but only if it hits 20.
It's 20,
Again, you know,
yeah. Yeah.
I know this is below, but I think they're gonna be around.
If it touches,
Yeah.
we have to be sure.
Yeah,
Safe,
yeah, yeah.
exactly.
I wouldn't be buying there,
Mm-hmm.
just like, quickly go down. What's the price now?
Right now, 124,
And here?
99.18.
Yeah, so that's $1 different almost.
Yeah, that's crazy right
Yeah.
now. But it looks like we have a good uptrend indicated by
Yeah,
20.
yeah. And there's our signal, look at this, green, red, and green,
So you place a buy.
about this one. But that's a good signal now, I would rather wait for a pullback.
Mhm.
We just need a little bit more pullback,
Yeah.
just need a little bit more pullback,
So what's the signal? Green, red, and green, and then you place it above.
above this one. Above that one.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Let it run.
That's fine, let it go without
Yeah.
you.
I don't
Let
need
it,
to.
let them pull up above everything and then, yeah, so,
Exactly.
yeah, don't run after,
Mm-hmm.
after the market, you
Mm-hmm.
can get hurt.
Exactly.
Okay, look at it, and plus we are getting in overbought territory, so there's gonna be some pullback.
Mhm. Only trade by the rules, guys.
Yeah.
The rules are there for a reason.
So, look at here. There's a green, there's a red above this red,
Mm-hmm.
and look, above this red, look. So we'll wait here for a pullback, and then we'll go long if markets stay, if they tell us.
Mm-hmm. Looks like they're going up to. They're trying to go to 200.
200, yeah.
But I don't know if they're gonna cross. Let's see.
That's fine, they could be pullback,
It could be.
yeah.
Probably will be. To be honest.
How much is 102? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. We'll let it run.
But I wish it would come down a little bit. Only so 8 was support.
Yeah.
What's here?
Apple.
Alright, well, wait for pullback. You need now pullback to here.
Exactly.
Yeah. These two are not good.
That's why we have multiple charts up. We've got all the different stocks up because you want to wait for a good setup.
Yeah. And there's a pullback, you see, on ES. Look
Yeah.
at that big one. We are in overbought territory. We want for some pullback, and if markets are gonna continue long, which they should, alright, let's go just buy. I think it's gonna go long.
Order
Let's just buy
filled.
there. We'll see if I'm right or not.
Order submitted.
Okay, GC, nothing CL. Is it moving? Nothing, they're not moving.
And we got a strong pullback on Boeing here.
Yeah.
Set up a
So it's there on CES2.
Mhm. Setting up for a buy at 99.50 if it touches.
Is that 9950? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
99.
Yeah. Yeah, we are long. Markets are saying we are long. They're having a 8 about 20.
Mhm.
Unless there's something bad and it drops down.
We have some. Looks like a lot of volatility in the market. There are some stocks out there that have been halted.
Like what?
Aramark, some biotech companies,
Alright, there's
Moderna. Moderna was that's a big company right now. That was blocked as well.
Okay, we are having here big pullback.
Big pullback.
Yeah.
See, that's a good thing we didn't get in.
Yeah.
We knew the good signals.
Yeah.
We're only getting in at good signals.
So you're buying Boeing?
I'm gonna buy Boeing when it
At what?
touches at 20. So
What's the price?
99.38. So we'll do
Alright.
like 40.
Alright. There should be, I think we're gonna be bouncing, though, this is just
and we're in.
alright, 99, 38.
Yeah. So let's see. If it crosses, we'll reverse positions. But right now, we got it at a good deal.
Okay. We should have a bounce over here.
And we only bought a few shares. I can even lower my
Order
position.
filled.
I
Alright,
only bought 5 shares, so it's no
Okay.
big deal.
don't worry then, just leave it.
I can lower my position too.
Yeah, then you can buy 5 more, no, but leave it for now. We'll see, we'll go by ES.
Mhm.
We'll go by ES over here. This is big pullback. I don't know what's going on in the market. Can you take a look on CNBC?
Yes.
See what's the news over there.
The lines are about to cross again. I'm gonna have to reverse.
No, you're not, don't reverse. Don't just reverse. Either you just come out of position
Are gonna look like out of China in terms
Or,
of what their
uh,
economy has gone.
don't
Still,
reverse.
just been stunned when I
Is
look
there
at
just
some
a
of the numbers
channel,
that were estimated
just
here,
a
whether it's JP.
CNBC?
That's it.
But is there just a page there so we can go? I'll take a look over here.
Oh, you're talking just the website?
Yeah, I'll get here. I'll get here.
Uh,
I'll get here. Look at that drop. That's a huge drop. Oh, there's going to be huge pullback. I don't know what's. No, we're hearing their big. JP Morgan is giving the tellers.
yeah, $1,000
Oh yeah.
bonus.
Oh, what? Why are they doing this? I don't want this. They're forcing me on something I don't want.
What?
Tell us other frontline employees dealing with coronavirus, $1,000 bonus. Okay, oh, guys, let's go by over here more. This
Order
is just,
filled. Order filled.
that's why it's important not to get in everything at once.
Mm-hmm.
Just something like this happens. So
I'm
you
only
can,
in $500, so it's not even a lot. And we're back up,
Order submitted.
so
alright, that's a great, that's
great
still
buy
up,
at
yeah.
the white line, 99.03.
This was just some big, there's gonna be a nice bounce over here. Why you bought more?
No,
What's that, what was that song?
I was said it doesn't want to buy it because it's too, there's a stop limit on there. But I'll do another buy right here. 98, nice and low. Nice and low. Oh. Now,
Should I let this one on here, watch ES,
okay,
to bounce, then you could have, but that's fine now.
okay.
Then we could have,
But now my average price is really low.
I don't know why is this big drop? There's no news.
Let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones is flat right now.
Alright, there's a pullback on ES.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go, price should be reaching EMA 8.
Alright, the line has come under.
Let's,
Order filled.
yeah, I see, but looks like
Order
this is gonna
filled.
pull back, that's what I was saying. You got to watch ES.
Mm.
Don't just blindly.
Yeah.
Let's see what's gonna happen. This may come back and hit it over here,
Mm-hmm.
and you can make still a good trade.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, ES is trying to get, this was big drop, there should be pullback. So that means Boeing is gonna pull back too,
Mm-hmm.
into positive.
It's trying.
Yeah.
But we're monitoring all the charts so that
Yeah,
way we can see.
Because we are almost in oversold territory.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more down and we're gonna be in oversold territory.
That's right.
Yeah, so there's gonna be bounce. It's too huge of a drop than no news.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any news.
Like a Boeing stock, it's interesting because compared to like its year average, stock is practically worthless now. You know?
Oh, that's a great stock. That's gonna be big run.
A great what?
That's a great stock, Boeing.
Oh yeah, because it's so cheap right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Looks like it's a short signal.
Yeah, well, should be coming back here. Wow, we are huge in oversold territory. Look at that move. That was like yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
What's on daily? That's a big pullback. Look at that. Let's go buy more. Now we're gonna start making money.
Order filled.
That's why it's important not to buy everything at once.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're gonna wait for the pullback here.
Yeah, we'll be in front of an EMA8 and we'll still make profit.
Order submitted.
All right, this is huge oversell.
Mm-hmm.
How much you losing?
$20.
Okay, don't worry. This is, you don't want to sell now. This is huge oversell.
Mm.
I know it's going down and I know that's against the rules, but it's huge. Look at the move for up. Look at that. That's going to be huge run up.
Mm. We'll wait for it.
Yeah, it's a huge oversell. Look at that.
Should I lower my average price? It's cheap.
I wouldn't do right now until ES tells me, until ES shows. Let's wait for ES. Look at that. It's just time to buy more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, this is,
Look at the separation between red and white.
yeah. Okay, here's yeah, you could try to go now by all right.
Just bought 5 shares.
Okay.
That's good. It's good that we kind of
Yeah,
slowed
yeah.
down.
What's the average price now that you're buying at?
97.
97?
Yeah,
And
97,
what-
98.
What's well, you got to know. They should tell you somewhere. What's the average price you bought?
Yeah, 97, 98.
Oh, so 98 bucks.
Yeah, right
How
here.
much is the price now?
96.
Okay, so $2 down.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay, no, there's this is huge oversell. There's gonna be a reverse now,
Mm-hmm.
and they're gonna just run up.
Yeah. I want there to be like
Yeah.
average price.
Yeah,
mine
yeah.
too.
I'm gonna buy more over here,
Order filled.
and then I'm just buying
Order
1,
filled.
3 here.
Order filled. Order
Here.
filled.
It's so I have 24. I'm not gonna be buying more now. This is gonna be huge run up. It's hugely oversold.
Oh yeah.
If anybody's watching on YouTube right now, I'm not even looking.
Oh, here it is. It's running.
Order submitted.
It's running right now.
It's a huge oversell. There we were in a moment we were in profit. And you guys on YouTube, you are just late. With like a 20 seconds you're behind. All right, so
I
let's.
set another buy down here too, if it goes.
All right.
All it does is make my shares cheaper. That's all.
Oh yeah, that's the point. And look at this. Look at that run. Look, I said it was hugely oversold. It has to make a nice run up there. Look at that. Look at us now.
Yeah. And now I'm getting close to positive territory.
Yeah.
Almost positive.
And you'll be just dandy.
Mm-hmm.
If it comes to the white, I will just sell it
Mm-hmm.
and make that some profit.
Yeah. About to break even.
Yeah. And there is. Look at us. Look at us. 7,712.5 points. 7,712.5 points.
Wow.
That is very important. That's why it's very important. Walk your price. Make sure you're well funded. You can do this in the micros. Doesn't have to be minis. Go in micros and walk your price. You know I bought it over here, all the way somewhere here. I walked my price, and we still end up with a great profit.
Mm-hmm. All right. Now we're broke even on Boeing.
All right.
Yep. So 30 more cents than I had yesterday, and we're following the rules of trading. We're following the rules. We're using the
Yeah.
indicators, and
Yeah.
we're
Yeah.
making sure that we're losing almost no money, pretty much.
If it hits 20, I will come out. You're gonna be in profit. How much? Couple of bucks?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I will come out
Yeah.
because it's
I
a
mean-
short sale. It's a short sale.
Mm-hmm.
So that means I will come out on a white line.
Yeah. I'll set a sell up there.
Yeah,
98.
bad practice. Because this make pullback again.
Mm-hmm.
They can maybe just hit and come back like this here.
Right.
See,
98, 80.
there's that again. That signal.
Mhm.
Green, under the green, a quick few bucks.
Mm-hmm. All right, we got our sell target set up, and I'm gonna go pee while
All right.
this thing trades.
Close the door, please. Okay, we're gonna buy more over here. It's
Order
just a great
filled.
buy. Just a great buy over here. Even if it goes against us. Or just buy more.
Order filled.
Okay. We'll set our profit target right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Just pull out the profit, which I know it's gonna run more. Or we can just go with EMA 8. And we'll see, we're already nice in profit, which we could just come out and look at that run, look at that run.
We sell yet?
Look at this, we're gonna make another couple, 3,000 points. We're almost there.
That's right.
Let's move a little bit here.
Yeah, we're almost out of this position.
Alright.
Let's see. Can you do up to 10 at a time?
I bought more shares, so more contracts of ES. There's we're almost we're making nice profit again. These are the areas where you want to just buy
Mm-hmm.
and just hold it.
I'll even just set another.
And there it's up in a just few ticks. Woo!
Wow.
Just in a few ticks. Looks like we're gonna have another good morning, and we are only like 21, 22 minutes in the trade.
So I just bought 10 shares of Boeing for lower than my average price. So we got a good buy there, and we're gonna set another sell up on top. Right.
Why?
Right here.
Okay.
Let it run.
Okay. We want a yes to go and meet our 20. That would be nice, nice target over there. Nice run. There's.
Order filled.
And we have in 22 minutes, we have 11,312.5 points.
Points or dollars?
Well, I got to say here points. But there's our EMA 8
All right,
target.
we're in the green. We're about to execute. Stand by.
All right.
Our sell is going to be at. Oh, I need to set it a little lower.
Yeah, white line.
Yeah. Sometimes the lines shift on you.
Yeah. Oh, moves.
I can't drag it. I have to replace.
You were dragging it the other day.
Yeah. That's only if I have one at a time. That lets me drag it. Oh,
Right
execute
there.
it anyway. Who cares?
Yeah. All
All
right.
right. So we made $25.
All right. Hey, good
Yeah.
trade. That's important.
That was a
Good
good
trade.
trade,
Yeah.
yeah.
Good
But
trade.
of course, we increased our stakes, and so now we're doing 10
So
shares at a time now.
you want to watch ES2, what ES is doing,
Mhm.
and then we want to buy. But the point over here, we were in a good uptrend,
Mm-hmm.
and then went down, but you were funded well.
Funded well.
You bought more shares, and then more and more walk your price down,
Mm-hmm.
and then market turned, and went into your profit.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the point there.
Yeah.
You don't want to wait too long, but this was, it just where the stock is.
Mhm.
It just was great buy.
So we made $24 in less than half an hour. Imagine if I increased my stakes. I had the funding to do it. I mean, it would have done so well.
That's all. Let's go just trade by trade. Yeah.
That's short territory, isn't it?
Yeah, but we don't want to short because market is saying I want to go up.
Mm.
So we'll wait for the nice setup. Here's look at here.
Mm.
Apple is almost there in the nice one. So what's
Tesla.
this one?
Tesla
Tesla is down.
down today.
Yeah, but Apple is setting up
Mm-hmm.
for the run. Look at this run. What did I say?
Mm-hmm.
ES going mid 20. That would be nice run. But the point was over here in this room. You just go take a profit, get out. Take a profit, get
Exactly.
out.
Exactly.
Don't become a greedy and I want every penny. I don't know exactly where it's gonna go. I know it's gonna meet 20 somewhere, but that
Mhm.
could be all the way down here somewhere. I don't know if some big news.
You think Apple's a good buy right here?
Yeah, if it hits 20.
Yeah. I'll reduce my orders. Do 5 at a time instead now. I don't want to buy too much.
And why? Look at this. Try to go up, couldn't go down.
Mhm.
Now it's going again. If it hits 20, I would, yeah.
248.1.
Yeah, if it hits 20. Look at plus ES is running.
Set a nice low buy target on Apple.
Yeah, if it pulls back to 20,
Mhm.
yeah.
And we'll just let it go. And if it keeps going up, who cares? You know, let it run.
Alright, but set up this one out to going.
98.38. One against. Now it's lower. Let's see. How do I?
And change this to Baba. You don't need that SPX. How is that set up? That's down still. Okay, but market is going up.
That one's on. Here's a 2-minute chart. Bop
Yeah.
up.
2 minutes, yeah, measure it as 2 minutes. Alright, so what's over here? 20 is this?
Yeah.
200 here? Alright, this is setting up. Baba is setting up for round.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Looks
Look at
like we
that
have,
nice one, yeah. So you wanna set up good. What's here?
That's Apple. We're having a good setup here.
Yeah.
It's about to touch. About to execute. We're so close.
Hopefully it does. Alright, we're just having a nice pullback on ES,
Mm-hmm.
which is let's see. Which I'm gonna buy ES. Just I
Order
think
fell.
they're gonna be running. They don't. We'll buy it again here. Okay, let them.
Order
We're
filled.
about to execute an Apple. And wait for it. We're in.
Alright, so we're in Apple now.
We're in Apple. And let's see how the S&P handles this.
Oh, it's already your way. Oh, just for a moment, yeah.
We're still flat.
Yeah.
We're at 248 right now. I could even set up a little lower if I want to. 247. It's pretty good. It goes below 247.5.
We'll leave it for now. Let the ES show the way.
Mm-hmm.
See, yes, it had a pullback. This could just turn around.
Mm-hmm.
But for now, we are okay.
Yeah.
We are in profit in ES. Look at that.
I'm in the-
Look at that
Yeah,
run.
I'm in the profit right now.
Yeah. Look at that run.
Up $2 total on my trade. Now imagine if you did. I only did 5 shares. Imagine if you did 500 shares.
But
know?
you would have financing there to buy more.
I have a lot of financing
Yeah. Okay.
comparatively.
So we're just making sure we go slowly in if it goes against us.
Exactly.
Yeah. We don't know where we are right now.
Exactly.
Market wants to go up, but it's sideways developing. And
Oh yeah. Sideways development. You
Yeah.
don't know where it's gonna go.
there was a pullback over here, so we can always jump in a more trade. We get in profit, you can get always
Right.
more.
I have enough financing to
Yeah.
reverse the
Yeah.
position or do anything really.
Alright.
So that's why we only trade with money that we have and losses that we can afford. position has reversed.
Alright, well,
247.50.
yes, it's pulling, but doesn't have that much strength like on this one here. So this will be just, we'll see. Maybe just nice, a little pullback and then start running up there.
Yeah. Well, if it comes down again, I'll have another buy target set up.
I'm looking just on the daily, that's what I'm expecting to run along. There was no news and they ran this much down. So if there's no news, they should be coming back.
Exactly.
And on daily saying there's a nice run overnight.
So you just have to make sure you do your research, because that's how we know, like, if the day is gonna be up or the day is gonna be down.
Yeah.
We can predict.
Based on these indicators.
Yeah. Already up on Apple. Already
Yeah.
making money.
Yeah, so, and it's still standing above.
Exactly.
Nice setups.
And
Alright,
that's
really
nice.
look at that profit in ES, look at that run, look at it. Does it want to reach over here?
And now we'll set our buy
Order
target back
submitted.
down to the white line. So now we're going to move it up,
Order submitted.
and we're following all the rules here.
Okay.
So now we have a buy target set at the white line.
Okay. Another one,
Mhm.
alright,
Yeah, small trades.
yeah,
It's not.
that's fine, small ones become big ones.
Exactly. Small is
Yeah.
good because you can finance it.
Yeah,
Order
funded.
filled.
right there, look at this, we made another great trade.
Yeah, we're in a good trade right now with Apple. We're
Just
making money.
because I was expecting here, on a daily, there's a nice pullback.
Mhm. Guys, imagine if you did this every single day. You could be making so much money.
Order filled.
Alright, and Apple's moving.
Look at this, look at this.
It's a big run.
No, look at here.
Oh yeah, you're in.
It's against me.
You can always buy more.
No, I don't wanna buy there.
Order filled.
Another purchase on Apple. And of course I'll set a sell order for one tick above. Because we know when we're getting in, we know when we're getting out.
Yeah. I think I messed up. I messed up. We'll see. Let it run. Let it run.
And here we go. We're running.
All right.
We got our sell target set up. We're already in the green with Apple.
Where's your sell target? What price?
249.60.
All right. What's your average buy?
248.34, and we're already in the profit.
All right, so you just want a little pull, a little trade, and that's it. Okay.
Take it one step at a time.
Yeah.
As long as we're in the green, we're good.
Yeah.
And it looks like we're making some good money here. Up by $9. And if it touches the white again, we'll set up for another buy.
If it breaks this, then may run a little bit longer.
Yeah. It will.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
How many shares you have?
10.
Okay.
And then it looks like you're in the green right now.
Yeah, but I mean, I read another and I hedged it,
Oh.
and that's right. Next time I'll hedge at the same time. I thought Nasdaq would go up, but unfortunately pull. So I'm just gonna let it run out, see what's gonna happen.
Mm.
Nasdaq may run no, move faster than ES,
Mm.
and then get my money back.
And here we go. Apple is up. We're about to execute with a profit of $11.
Alright.
And for all you guys, it's like how, you know, if you make like $10 an hour, like look at how much I made with just $1,000 of buying power. Executed, $13 already made. Like
Well, this one didn't.
that one didn't. No, it's a little higher. Executed,
Alright.
$15.
So you have two different targets.
Mm-hmm. And I'll cancel this one.
Yeah.
So question is, you know, if you can make, let's say even $15 an hour. It's not even 1 hour. We just made $20.
But the more important, you made a good couple of good trades.
Mhm.
You were in two trades and both are good.
And they were carefully calculated,
Yeah.
where the certainty of making profit was extremely high.
Yeah.
I mean, it's better to do that than to risk losing everything. So, if you do this every single day, you only have 30 minutes a day, you can make so much. How's the S&P looking?
It's going in overbought territory. There's going to be some pullback.
And we'll wait for another good setup.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna adjust my order default to now 10 shares. 'Cause we just got our feet wet.
All right.
So we were doing 5 before, now we're doing 10 at a time.
Look at that pullback.
Big pullback.
Yeah.
And we'll set a buy for 248.5, right on the white line.
Okay. What's with the other ones?
Looks like
What's
Baba's reversing. It's
Okay. What's that one there?
8 below.
Tesla.
Looks like
Still
it's,
down.
yeah, it's down for the day. Looks like it's trying to climb though.
And this Boeing, what's Boeing doing?
Boeing is right now looks like below right now. So it's a good thing we got out when we did too. Look at the average price. It's even less than when I.
Yeah.
That was a great deal that I got on Boeing. That's just because that's what the chart said. You got coronavirus?
No, it's just a call. All right, let's see what's ES is trying to go up, but then down. So far it's down. Signal is down. But the price is trying to get up. So daily it's up. Not even looking that much at CL. Or what's gold doing? Gold is going up. Well, there should be some pullback on gold too.
Yeah, when gold pulls back, the market comes back up, right?
Yeah. Or should be, but lately it's going with the market. Okay, let's go make a trade on the gold. It's like
Order
a little
filled.
sell over here. Let's pull out a few points,
Order submitted.
few ticks we can get.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, look at this. We got 11 ticks, 10 ticks, 11 ticks.
Yeah. And
Per contract, if you know, whatever you call.
a little bit of a pullback too.
Okay, if we don't like what's happening, we can just go and close.
Order
And we
filled.
made another good trade. See, you don't have to wait for your target. Still made 11 ticks, 10, 11 ticks, and
That's
go.
right.
Yeah, just get.
Still waiting on Apple. Looks like we're in a good general uptrend though.
Yeah. Apple is holding.
It is. Well, it's climbing.
Yeah.
20 is going up right now.
Yeah.
I'll move my target up a little bit.
Are we over 200 of it, or we're under 200?
No, we're still below.
Oh, below, okay. So they're trying to get here.
Mm-hmm. The white line is
8,
shifting.
Yeah, 8 is acting as a support.
Yeah. Right there.
Okay, yes, it's trying to run again. They just cannot make up their mind here.
That's right. The markets are very horizontal right now.
They pull back, they go, they come back, and can't just make up their mind. They're up, they're down, like they're waiting for something.
Mm-hmm. Like some news.
Yeah.
Let's check the news while we're at it.
What's CNBC? You see that Drudge report or whatever you watch?
Yeah, I love to use the Drudge report. They get the news so quick.
Nasdaq is 82 up, S&P 284 down, 2.84 down,
Mm-hmm.
and Dow is 70.98 up. That's CNBC. That's a delay.
Drudge report's talking about people in the bubble. In Italy, it's so sad what's going on. Lots of people dying every single day, and they have bubble, like helmet type respirators. There's a terrible thing going on in Italy right now. So many people are dying. Not a good situation. They don't even have enough caskets or enough. It's hard to move people around. They had military vehicles moving bodies yesterday.
Oh, it's all around the world. It's Europe is hit hard there.
All right, we're in Apple. We got filled. 248, 86.
Coca-Cola pulls its 2020 outlook. So we'll see what's happening.
Mm-hmm. And now we're in the green on Apple, so touches the white line and we're in.
All right.
We got another buy set up if it does come back again. A lot of volatility right now.
Yeah, just sideways lately. Won't go anywhere.
Which means something's gonna happen.
Just
soon.
Order
buy here.
filled.
Just make a little target here.
Order submitted.
One contract.
Mhm.
Yes, it's trying to go up, but just won't last 6 minutes. You see green bars, but just won't. Something's pushing down.
I was up late last night and I was working on, I checked my assignments, they said I want a homework assignment due. I was like, what? I'm in school right now, so it's crazy.
There's turning around.
There it is, it's pulling up.
Yeah. I would put your target at just below 200.
For sell.
Yeah. Just below 200. Couple of pennies below.
Order filled.
All right, there we go again. There we go again.
Okay, got a good target.
Just a couple of pennies below. That would be, what's the blue line there? What's
20.
where is the price?
250,
And
231,
how much is now?
249,
Where are you what? 248.
248, 86.
Oh, so 249. So you get 3 points.
Yeah.
All right.
It's, hey, only doing good trades today.
Yeah. That's it.
Learning from the best here.
They're great guys. You know, just nice little trades. Pull out the profit and get out and go.
It's more I'd make than an hourly wage job, you know. I mean, imagine if I did 100 shares, you know, which we have the liquidity for.
Look at this. Says IRS will move tax filing deadline to July 15th as the coronavirus spreads.
And we got a big run right now. Big run. Now we're up $14 on Apple.
All right. The important thing, you have a much more funds to buy more shares,
Mm-hmm.
but we are just going for little bites and go get it. If you get a nice trade, you can always add more shares.
Mm-hmm.
If it goes against you, like it was earlier Boeing, you
Mhm.
bought more, lower your price, you got into profit, you got out.
Right. And we're just practicing here. I mean, we're not doing any crazy amount of money. It's each trade here is only, I mean, I'm doing 10 shares at a time of Apple. That's, you know, it's nothing ridiculous. And of course, it's with a personal loan, so
You know, so it's going little by little.
little by little.
Yeah.
But no more dumb trades, you know. I mean, I used to make so many dumb trades. No more dumb trades. When the signals are very clear, you just have to do it, you know.
Yeah. Even if it goes against you, it went against you, but you went with a good signal.
Mm. It's like football. When you play football, football players, they go by the playbook.
Yeah.
They don't do any
Crazy moves.
they don't do crazy moves, doing their own thing.
All right, we are now on the indicators. We are up. Price is trying to pull back to 20.
Mm-hmm.
Let me buy over here,
Order filled.
just on 20, and we'll wait. Price still didn't hit these two lines up there, so possible run up. If it goes against us, we'll just walk our price down and buy somewhere here. So let's see. I'm gonna set up the
Order submitted.
target right there. That's only one contract, and look at that move.
Oh, it's a huge move up right now.
Yeah.
We're up $15 on Apple. I
Okay.
could just get out if I want to.
Number 3, Did I follow my rules? Did I follow my rules? Question mark.
That's it.
That's it.
I think number 3 is, do I know where I'm getting out?
No, you can get just that's it. You know, here you're watching the price,
Mhm.
you know, so. We look accordingly to chart. You know, here they're gonna hit 20 and then bounce and then go most likely.
Mhm.
If they go to there, they should. Alright, here's again bounce down. We're having again nice morning, 12,842.5 points. We had yesterday 20,000 points, day before that
Wow.
1,500, and day before that 15,000 points.
Imagine if, I mean, that's crazy.
There's trade again in our way. It was taking so much time, I'm just gonna close it,
Order filled.
and there's 13,000. I don't care if it goes now there. It just took a long time, so we just wanna take profit out.
Excuse me. So it looks like Apple's still coming up. When it comes down lower, we'll of course keep buying. Right now we're still in the green.
Yeah, this is important, and it's going your way.
It is, exactly. Tesla's up today. Red over 200, white below 200.
Well, Tesla's setting up.
It is. If white pops above 200, that's a buy. But pretty soon the lines are going to come back
Look at
together.
you, look at you there, oh, look at you there.
Mhm.
So. See, everybody's 200 and everybody's there. That's why I said you go behind, below a little bit.
Mhm.
Alright, we are now in oversold, in overbought territory. Don't buy more now.
Mhm.
Don't buy more. Look at where ES is. You can run up there, I know that, but let them pull back and then buy more. Let them rather come out, pull profit, wait for. No, you don't have to go lower.
No.
No. Let them come there, take out. You know, it's they still can run
Mhm.
based on dailies.
Mhm.
They can still run.
Yeah, it's a good trend.
Yeah, look at it, they're running up there, and it looks like we're gonna get to your target. Then we're gonna get, look for another trade.
Mhm.
Tesla may set up,
Looks like it is setting up.
Yeah.
Red is very far from white.
or this one can set up, what's this?
That's Boeing.
Going, see how much pullback? That was great exit,
It was,
yeah, it's setting up again.
because we made money off the volatility of the stock.
Yeah. It looks like they're gonna push a little bit harder up.
Yeah.
They're pushing. I don't want to even sell right now. I would rather see bigger distance between price and the upper blue line.
Mhm.
I would want to see somewhere here, then I would start selling. But for now, they may just run.
We have some great supports.
Yeah. And I mean, we have such a great day. Again, 13,000 points.
It's $20.
That's fine.
Yeah, we're up $20.
It's a good trade.
It's a great trade.
Yeah,
Imagine times 10.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's not only 20, it's add another zero, add 2 more zeros,
Mm-hmm.
3 more zeros.
Exactly
Yeah.
the same trade.
Yeah, you bought it here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was great, yeah, that's right.
It was a great execution.
Yeah. For now, 8 is was acting as a support zone.
Mm-hmm.
Let them go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see what I'm saying? They're pushing more long.
Yeah. Las Vegas Sands, that's a big time company right now.
Yeah. How are they doing?
That's a great setup right there. Look at
Oh
that.
yeah,
Wow.
leave them there. Then leave them. We'll get those, and get win.
And they're a great sale too. Their average was, I think, it was way up, you know.
But that was a great setup. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you know some stocks that you wanna.
Win Resorts.
Yeah.
Oh, great setup on Win as well.
Yeah. So let's keep. We're gonna see find whether it's good setups and
Look at that Win setup.
yeah. Yeah.
That's 2 minutes.
Yeah. So that was a great setup.
Mhm.
Right there.
Right here. Oh yeah, right here.
No,
Opening.
right here. Not right here. This was down. Yeah, right here.
Opening.
Yeah,
That's
right
a
there.
great setup.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna close off Boeing. They don't have very much volatility. I'm not going to look at Boeing right now.
Yeah. Keep what's moving, and we'll wait for setup. Oh, but when is setting up? Isn't it?
The lines are very close, but who knows what's gonna happen.
Okay.
We're
Okay,
still
we are in overbought territory now, so you don't wanna buy now anything.
Mm.
Hopefully that the Apple comes and reaches your price.
Well, I'll just bring it down. I don't need to stay in for too long.
Okay.
It's taking its time. Let's get out, you know.
Yeah.
Bring it down right there, actually. Move on to other things.
Yeah. So this is Boeing setting up. Yeah, this was great setup. We just came
Missed
too
it.
late. Yeah,
Yeah.
for 20 minutes or so.
Mm. What was at the open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what I open?
Oh, actually,
How much they moved?
20 minutes ago. Yeah, you're right.
How much they moved from what price to what price?
42 to 45.
Wow, 3 points.
3 points per share. You can buy a
Wow.
lot of shares.
Yeah.
And we're about to execute on Apple. If you hear the noise, guys, that means we're in the money. Boeing's a great setup right there.
Did it execute or what?
No,
No.
not yet.
Oh, there was that noise.
No, that's just my keyboard.
Okay.
But
No, you don't wanna buy. Look at, we are pulling back. We are in overbought territory. Let's wait for some pullback.
oh yeah,
Then you wanna buy. See, if we pull back to the to 20
mm-hmm.
on ES, and then it's a good setup on Boeing, yeah, then you can go. But this quick pullback can be here. So I don't know what they're gonna do now.
Mm. It's still a general uptrend.
Yeah. Oh, you move it down. That's
Mhm.
Well, if they make this one green, there's gonna be another green.
Mm.
So,
Let's see.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If that one, if it goes above, so we'll see what's gonna be. But if they make this one green above this one, there's gonna be another green.
It could be.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're coming up right now too.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I wouldn't wouldn't be buying anything now. ES is overbought. Let's
Excuse me. Alright. So, yeah, you're right. Overbought. We had a great buy on Apple,
yeah,
right at the white line.
yeah.
Those momentary fluctuations in the market, it's a great way to profit. Boeing has a great setup.
Does it?
Yeah. In fact. Yeah. It's a
Yeah,
pretty
but
good setup.
we see it's not that great. We're under 200,
Yeah.
but could be. I don't know if you want. We're just in overbought territory. Should be a little bit better pullback. Then. Yes, it's holding. It just won't. It won't pull back, but Apple is down, huh? A little bit. The last couple of 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
You know, just by like half a point, really,
Yeah.
or by 1 point. So it's not
Okay.
not a lot of movement. Just have to give it some time there. Oh, your charts are totally horizontal.
Yeah.
Look at that. So it's trying to go somewhere. Look at that. We got a little bit of a run going on.
Yeah. All right. It's time. It's time to make some sale
Order filled.
Markets are moving.
and just right here
Order submitted.
in case it goes up.
Yeah. Look at the separation though between red and white. Well, we're up on 2 greens. Looks like we're about to execute,
All right.
and we're out.
All right.
So we made our run. We're up $40 for today.
All right. What's how is the Boeing?
Boeing down.
Is it good setup or not yet?
Let's pull it up. Right now, white is below. Red is above. Yeah, it's a good setup. But who knows? Is this buying? Is it a buying territory right now?
How long was over here down? Look at me a little bit better that chart. A little bit more. See, it tries to go up and then comes down. Tries to go up and comes down.
Mm-hmm.
ES needs to pull back. I wouldn't be buying now. If ES pulls back to, I wouldn't be buying anything right now. Let it prove itself.
Mm-hmm. Looks like Boeing's in short territory too.
Yeah. Let it prove itself.
California's on its first full day of stay at home.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm. Win is doing very well. 3 points since we last checked it.
Dow is still down 13% this week.
Look at that growth on Win. Wow.
Yeah,
They're running.
nothing but buying.
That was a great setup right there. That would have been perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Right at 9.14.
How much is we now?
58 bucks.
58?
Yeah,
Wow,
it's cheap.
that's some great buys.
Las Vegas Sands as well. Well, we've got all the resort stocks up, so Mountain, which is Vail Resorts, the ski resorts in Colorado. We had a good setup a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
5 minutes ago would have been a great buy.
Is there MGM? What's theirs? I don't know what's theirs.
Yeah. $10.
$10?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. All the resorts are rallying big time right now. Let's see. MGM. 40% today. Look at that.
What, dropped?
MGM up 40% today.
Oh, up?
Yeah. It's a big return.
Alright, what's your Boeing? Where's the Boeing?
Right here. 95. Went down. Of course, as the signals indicated, it's, short territory.
Yeah.
That was a good short setup right there.
So it's, no, I wouldn't be shorting anything right now. Markets are up. Alright, I'm gonna get out this, I'll get out just on the market.
Order
Not a
filled.
good trade, just because of this. Price is not jumping out that much of the blue line. This may just run up there. So watch Boeing, they may just run.
We're tracking the resort stocks right now. Let's see what happens. Now, MGM, up 40% today. That's very high.
Yeah?
That's good short territory.
No, something happens there. That's what somebody's buying. That doesn't mean you want to short, just it was too cheap. Was cut in half maybe or something, but I don't know what's their chart. So somebody's buying. Was there a 1 year chart?
Yeah, it's 1 year.
Yeah, so it was cut with all of this.
This is 1 year.
Yeah. Now somebody's buying. How much was here?
32.
Yeah, so it was great buy.
Yeah.
That's why. At $6,
Mm-hmm.
MGM is not gonna go
7.
down.
Yeah.
MGM is not gonna go down.
Yeah.
Let's go see there, Baba.
Looks like the Dow's going up. Good setup on Baba.
4 along.
Um,
Let me bigger chart there. This will go here and just to get a couple points,
mhm.
but not yet. ES needs to pull down a little bit. Then it's gonna be good.
Mm.
You can. If you wanna risk 5 shares, yeah, you can buy
It's cheap.
and just go to here.
It's cheap.
If you wanna go 5, 10 shares, 10 shares, say,
I'll buy it even lower than that.
you know,
You know what? But Baba's that's a Chinese company, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah. I don't invest in China. They gave us coronavirus.
Okay, we don't have time. There's choice.
That's a weird stock right there. In fact, that's a good one to short right now.
That's still long.
What? It's a short chart.
Where is it?
Red is below white.
Well, it's just because this is still moving.
Oh.
So otherwise it would be even or above. And I look at markets overall, what the markets are doing.
Mhm.
And then look at here, what does? Goes under, Where they don't stay above and pulls couple of points,
That's true. Look at Vail Resorts. Vail Resorts is doing okay today. Las Vegas Sands is cooling off right now. So is Wynn.
What's a Facebook? Okay, look at here now. They're setting up in uptrend. They're in uptrend. So look, find something that's a good setup. It's gonna go long. They're setting up for uptrend.
Okay. Apple. Apple's a great buy right now.
What's Boeing?
Boeing is,
Now look at how much you could have made on Baba.
yeah. Oh yeah, I could have, huh?
Yeah. What's Boeing?
Boeing is 95.44. But red is still below
Yeah.
20.
Is Apple? Where's Apple? Where's Facebook?
Facebook is 157. It's receding back down to the,
Yeah, but look at there was a good setup there.
oh, it was good setup. 930 were a lot of good setups. In fact, there's a lot of downward pressure on Facebook right now, like that. Trying to go up, but it won't. What's Tesla doing? Ah, 460 today, so it's way up. And Wynn is coming back to the white line. Up 20% today, of course.
Yeah, so that will be a good buy there.
It will be. Just 10 shares for $100. Nothing too crazy.
There's that ES pullback.
Mm-hmm. That was when we're checking all the charts right now. Let's see, Boeing, way down. That was a good. That would have been a good short. Just a few points could have made. Tesla. Tesla's doing a run right now. Amazon peaked on Friday. Had a
Too
little
expensive.
peak.
No. What's the setup on Amazon? What's the setup there? It's down.
Short. Yeah, it's saying shorted.
Not now.
When it touches, that's a good short. Right there.
It was already a couple of times. Look at how much it went down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what chart is saying they're setting up for a run?
LVS is closing in with 20.
That's what I was saying, so.
Mhm. It's like Vail's coming in for a good setup here.
Do they move a lot or they just look? How much are they? 164.
Wow.
Oh,
It
okay.
was like that. Would have been a great setup right there at 922 and at 852.
Oh, watch them.
Huh?
Watch them.
Yeah. Vail Resorts. In fact, I can set a buy right here. So we have two of them going. We have Vail Resorts and we have Wynn. Let's see if either one executes. But we're only waiting for good setups here. We're not just gonna buy.
Okay, there's a nice pullback on ES to 20. In the bottom of the. Okay, I'll be buying right here. This could be the bottom of ES for now and then just a turn around. Could be. I just go and buy.
Order submitted.
If it touches.
And of course, they're converging. Red and white.
Okay, it's a Friday, it's a nice run, so looks like we'll see what's gonna be. Nice run now, the market's long.
Oh, look, Wynn is big run right there. 57.
It's alright.
It's gonna come back.
Don't chase, yeah. His ES is now hitting EMA 8 and the resistance, it's breaking. So we couldn't get over here our fill.
Order cancelled.
We'll just go with the market,
Order
try to
filled.
pull few more. Make a sale.
Order submitted.
Alright.
So what are we up? How much are we up here? $13,000.
13,000 points, yeah.
That's a lot.
13,000 points.
Wow. And no new news. Let's say the virus kills more men than women.
Yeah.
A bit of a pullback here on Wynn. We might actually execute.
Alright.
Yeah.
That'll be great. And then make it run.
Yeah. Vail is definitely not going to execute. It's just staying way above, but we'll let it go. Vail is just a great buy right now. A lot of volatility. Of course, we'll move this limit here. I'm gonna set up another one on Las Vegas Sands. See if anything executes. Just let it go.
Alright, we're having one contract. Let's move our target.
Order filled.
Oh, before we move it, it hit it. Okay, let's go buy.
Order filled.
And let's wait one
Order
there.
submitted.
Oh, Apple's a great setup right there. Look at that.
Alright, well,
Red is above.
it didn't needs to now pull back to, needs to pull back to 20
Hmm.
and then buy there.
That's right. I set a buy at the bottom,
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, right there. Even at 8, buy even at 8. Yeah, right there, this they're so close, it may just pull up to 8. See what I'm saying? It may just pull up to 8 and then bounce.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you want to be in a trade, because it's so close, it's only a few pennies.
It's gonna execute.
Yeah.
So Win, Las Vegas Sands, Vail.
Look at them going. Look at them going. Let's buy more.
Order filled.
We can do the top over here. Double top, so hopefully they get through. Let's go buy more. Right above.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright. I told you they were setting up for a run.
Mm-hmm.
Order submitted.
And we'll keep it there.
Let's see if it gets in. You didn't put the heater on your truck this morning.
No. No, I did.
It's cold too. You didn't put the heater in your truck.
No, it's okay.
A little bit of a pullback.
Is Apple pulling back? It's gonna get filled.
It might fill. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. I got my Vail target Las Vegas Sands target. Only buying if it's cheap. It's only if it pulls back to 20.
Apple's pulling back and may just hit you.
Yeah.
Almost just a few pennies away.
Look at this.
That's you?
Yeah, I made that yesterday.
Alright, did you forget?
Yeah, we filled an apple.
Alright.
Is that sick?
That's what you call it, sick week?
Wow. You like the music?
Yeah?
It goes perfect.
You can put it on YouTube.
Oh, it's on YouTube.
Or is it?
Yeah, I got a
Okay.
YouTube channel, but
You got to send it.
I don't have any subscribers, so.
You got to send me the channel.
Alright, we're about to fill again on Apple?
You gonna buy again?
Yeah. Just 10 shares. That or it's gonna run, we're gonna make money, who cares? But
Alright, well, if
using
you-
these techniques,
Yeah.
it's so much better because I used to buy like up here. It's like, oh, it's running, but it turns against. Now you know for sure if it turns against you, you have the.
Yeah.
You're not losing so much money that you can reverse it, you know. And when I bought 100 shares at once of Tesla the other day, and I was in a margin call, I just didn't have the money to reverse it, you know. I was like, I'm gonna lose $1,000 trying to reverse this thing. I couldn't do it, you know. I couldn't bring myself to
You
that.
don't reverse, you come out with a trade and then you wait for a setup.
Hmm.
You don't just reverse.
Yeah. Well, that too. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, you come out, you wait for the new setup.
Hmm.
Alright, look at it. Look at perfect signal. Green, red, green,
Yeah.
hitting higher. We are over 1,000 points again in profit. Let's see if we're gonna reach.
I can even do one above here, huh?
You could if you're sure that it's gonna run. Yeah, that's a perfect signal.
Like that.
With execute. What? That's another whale.
Oh.
Whale. It's okay. Go to whale.
No, that's Apple.
Oh, that's Apple.
Yeah.
Oh, you got to execute at an Apple.
Oh, I executed on Veil?
Yeah, you left that trade over there or whatever you have.
No, I didn't go.
Oh no.
No, it was Apple that executed.
Oh. Okay.
It's because I set the wrong order. It's
Oh.
okay. We're still making money.
Okay.
So, you're supposed to do. If I do that, it'll limit, right?
Oh, I don't know how it's with there.
25188. Yeah, it should. See,
I don't know how it's with them. What's now?
it just executed.
Which one? That is this
Apple.
one. Oh, just this?
Apple, yeah.
What's this one here? Win.
That's so weird, yeah.
Win. That's what they execute.
No, Win still,
Oh, still is in.
yeah.
How about this one?
Win, Las Vegas is still in, everything's still in. Apple, I don't know why, but it just executes when I,
Oh, you put another order. That's why. Now you're to what? 30 of them? 20?
30, yeah.
30. That's why. Yeah.
So,
Why
Wow.
sell?
why is, how come it doesn't do, it should do a limit, see, buy custom. And I should be doing, is that a stop limit?
I don't know how that one goes. Yeah. It's tough when you set up just the order and they bought it. Yeah. Which you're still fine there.
Alright, I'll set a sale here. I didn't like that. That was a bad buy on Apple. I should have bought down here, but instead
Oh yeah.
it
Well,
bought
you
here.
are there playing. Of course, that's gonna be.
At least we have the money to do it. It's okay.
You're still okay. They still have a larger place to run up.
We're not buying like,
No.
you know, too many shares, you know.
No.
Wind is still running.
Well, Apple's good buy. Anyhow.
When is a great buy right now?
And you're only going to the 200. No more. No more. If you can reach there, that would be great.
Let's see Vail right now. Oh, Mountain. It was Mountain, Las Vegas. Oh, and MGM. That was the one we were looking at. That one's up as well.
Okay, there's a nice run. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
There's a nice run at the ES, and we're gonna finish the room when this trade comes out. If you can reach 15,000 points, that would be great.
Vail is a good signal up here.
But you never got reached.
Yeah. We're still up on Apple. Wind has just been green all day. And,
Yeah. Just going.
let them run. Oh, that's a great buy right there.
Which one?
Apple. Right there at the 20 line.
Yeah.
In fact, I'll buy another one.
Stop now.
Vail is fulfilled.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, everything's pulling back. ES is pulling.
We got everything on a good deal.
The Federal Reserve is expanding its asset purchases to include municipal bonds. So is this gonna be good for market? Let's see.
Let's see. Looks like Vail's about to fill again.
You buy more of it?
No.
You already have, don't you?
Yeah, should only be, oh, about one share. Huh. Okay. That's weird. Just about one share. At least we got it for a good deal. We're making money on it. Of course, we'll move our limit up. The lines got close,
Yeah.
so we know we got a good deal on it. So we got Vail, Las Vegas Sands, and Apple. And Apple is, we're a little down, but it's okay. Just barely. Average price. Oh, we're up again on Apple. Good setups on everything. Another buy order.
How many you have in Apple already?
Just 50. It's not like I'm buying 100 shares, you know.
What
Alright.
executed?
Apple.
Apple?
And I'll just leave that. I don't need to buy any more. In case there's a big move in the market, I have the
Yeah.
money.
To lower the price.
Mhm.
What's now average price on Apple?
251.17.
251.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just down a little bit, but nothing crazy. $3.
Okay. Bless you.
Excuse me. But it looks like it's coming in for a good setup there, you know. Let's check Vail. Oh, look, it's coming down. If it comes down here, that's another buy. But we just hope that doesn't execute. But if it does, all we do is get it for cheaper.
guess it's pulling.
Execution
Which
on
one?
Veil.
Well, how many you have there? 10?
Yeah, oh, you know why? It was a partial fill, that's why. It was a partial fill before. Okay. Win will move our target up a little bit. Just above white. Like one tick above. Let's track Apple. See, that's why it's nice to have all these screens like you do, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. Apple executed.
Again?
Mm-hmm.
How many you have now?
And Las Vegas Sands executed as well.
Okay, how many in Apple you have?
Apple, 61 shares. And only one executed when it touched right there, that's why. That was a good deal. That was a good buy right there. Another,
9.
yeah,
So you have now 70.
yeah. Check Veil. Set a buy down here at the bottom. Veil executed. Looks like Las Vegas Sands coming down. If the lines cross, then we're getting out. But it's only $5. Who cares? Win never executed. Las Vegas Sands.
Okay, just follow now the charts you have stocks in. You have trades in. Alright, we're gonna buy over here more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Lower our target. We're touching that blue one.
Order filled.
Alright, let's get our target here, top of this bar.
Are you shorting?
No, I'm buying. I was up there, I was in nice
Order
profit
submitted.
but didn't take out, so now the market's turned against. I just think we're touching this here, we're gonna have a bounce, it will come out. And we're gonna go a little bit under here, just to get profit out. There's right there.
And now it's climbing.
Order filled.
Yeah, I wanted to go to 15,000 points. I wanna make one. We didn't do Nasdaq anything today.
Yeah, usually you're all over NQ.
Yeah. Let's buy some
Order
Nasdaq.
filled.
Like
Order filled.
4 of them,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll exit here.
Order submitted.
Just based on ES.
Order submitted.
Just wanna hit
Federal
50.
Reserve expanding asset purchases to include.
Municipal bonds, I told you right there. Yeah. I knew that half hour ago before you phone was.
Order filled.
Alright, there's a ES hit and we had 15,000 points. Alright, 235. Well, it was a great morning again.
Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate it. We made good money today.
Alright, well, we'll see you in another video then.
And don't forget to buy the indicators.
Thank you, Vic. And Vic is doing great.
Oh, today we're up.
Yeah.